You see that dirt-like trail along the kitchen wall? Come, look at this mold. And the bathroom wall is sweating.
But didn't we just have pest control here last month? Drilling the whole house?
That's surface work. Call Pest for sonar check now. The L5000 acoustic detection system pinpoints hidden leaks behind walls and under floors. Non-invasive. No more drilling guesswork. Call Pest at 876-592-3988. That's 876-592-3988. Pest Limited. Protecting what matters.
See, boss up this monitor winner.
Welcome back to Daytime Live. No, this is where the show that the fun never stops. In this segment, Dayton and I will be blindfolded and presented with a series of containers, each said to hold a different animal.
Our challenge is to identify. Hold on, you said animal. I got stuck there. Our challenge is to identify using nothing but our sense of touch to figure out what animal this is.
I'm gonna tell you something. You see, let's first invite.
No. We do the touch first and then we bring
Go
up.
touch first.
Yeah, we'll touch first.
Go over there, so.
Oh Lord God.
Go stand up. Go say, can you come walk in?
Put on your blindfold.
You first. All right.
All right, we put it on together.
Ah, boy.
Oh dear God.
All right.
Produce. This is not safe for you, know?
Dejan, you put over your glasses.
No, I'm not seeing,
All right,
honestly.
3, 2, 1. All right, ready. All right.
Bring these things out, please.
Hurry up.
Careful what you guys put
Bring
in
the
front of
things
me.
then.
I'm scared of a lot of things.
Make sure the things them don't have no sting.
They don't
make sure the things
bite.
them don't
Oh my
bite.
God.
Because
It's not a snake, it's not a rat, it's not a crocodile or a lizard. I'm afraid of lizards,
I
guys.
I will flung it.
Oh.
I will flung it. And if they are pets, make sure it's pets that I would normally have. It must say meow or ruff.
Cat or dog. I was just saying the same thing. Make sure it's a cat or a dog.
Is whatever it is in front of me already?
Is it gonna bite? All right, should I touch it? Yeah?
Hold on, one box there, so.
Huh? What I do, Danielle?
We must try to touch it now.
Touch it now?
Inside.
Touch it. Oh dear God.
Dejan, you touched it already?
Wait there.
Dejan, touch it, Dejan. Dejan, one plastic container in front of me, Dejan. With a hole on the side. That means it need to breatve.
I tried to wait, I'm not lie, but...
Bro, yo, I don't want
I'm nervous.
Because, yo, seriously, can I put my hand?
Yeah, man, can put your hand inside.
It's not gonna bite.
It's not
gonna bite.
Is it gonna? Oh God, I'm afraid. May I try now?
Just put it in the hand and just...
Bro, me don't know which side. Guess what? Don't let me touch the mouth side.
Come guide my hand.
Yeah, guide my hand. So me know. Bro,
I'm here
what
now.
is?
Just go ahead.
Oh, brother, me not like when you oh my God.
Wait.
You can't look over, me not like it.
I don't wanna.
You know, you bake something, and you crumbs the back of it. I saw the back of it.
All right. You take it up. You can take it up?
Me not take it up.
You hold it.
I am not.
Hold it, and then you make me hold it now. Put my hand on the side with touchable.
I'm not so...
You can touch it a while ago, me don't know.
Okay, hold it.
It a moved it.
Oh, it's furry. Oh,
Deja, no one put something furry.
This one is cute.
All right, so you can...
Is that a hamster? I don't know. It feels hamster.
We can't take off the blindfold.
Can I go? Is there something else for me to touch?
Me know what, me brother, me know what. Me know come to touch.
Can I touch something else?
You want to touch something else?
Yes. Bring me over.
Make sure touch my one.
Touch mine and me touch yours.
Deja, no.
All right, how is this? Is this what? Oh God.
That's relaxed.
Is it fur?
No, it's not fur.
Oh Jesus. Oh God.
Deja, me touch it, I'm move quick.
All right, I'm going to take it up in my hand like how I did before, and I'm just going to let you just...
When can we take off the blindfolds?
Why is it so prickly?
Can we take off the
Why
blindfolds now?
so? Oh, can a frog back this?
We can take off the blindfolds now?
Come, try it.
Yes! Oh my God!
I don't think
What is that?
Brother, don't make you bite me, you know.
What is that?
Brother, what that's something?
What's that?
All right, you go. You look now. We can't look now. Can we move?
I took mine off.
Yes, you can.
Brother. Oh.
So you had
that?
this before?
What's this? What is
This
this?
is
listen
a
to me
bearded
now.
dragon.
A bearded dragon?
Listen to
And this is what?
These are hamsters.
Wait a second.
I got the hamster
Bearded
right.
Dragon.
That's a bearded what?
Dragon.
That's
Bruh.
Vermithor? Cyrax.
No, he just sat there like this.
A Vega that? Hey, listen to me. Don't ramp with me now.
He's so
just
ready to
vegetables.
pounce. All right, why do you have these things?
why you
And
tou-
are
why you
they
touch them
pets
there?
for real?
Yeah, they're pets.
But they are very sensitive.
By the way, guys, this is Orayne Graham,
it is-
owner of Eastern Exotic Pets Jamaica. And Orayne, why you have these things? These are not pets. Pets when I was growing up is meow and roof.
What is?
No, you have different
Maybe you have a
type of
mare.
pets.
Maybe
You have
You have a mare, I have a moo.
All right, here you are.
I have oink.
Oink, right.
So, all right.
These are what?
mostly kids' pets.
Kids' pets.
Every kids want a hamster.
Right.
Right.
Oh, this is a hamster.
These are hamsters, right? This is just bearded dragon. It's different. It's one
Nobody
of the
wants
most-
this.
Of course.
Will hamsters bite? Do they bite?
They will,
Right.
but these don't.
Why they don't have any teeth?
Yeah, they do have teeth.
So if they don't have teeth, why wouldn't they bite?
Because I run a mobile petting zoo.
Right.
So these are the animals that
looking up. I can't.
interact with people.
Oh, so they're more docile than the
Yes,
others.
so they're more relaxed and try to observe and, all of that.
So who wants something like this?
Oh, so you can lift them up and
Yeah, you
actually.
can,
Is
yeah.
male and female or?
Yeah, these are two males.
Two males?
Yeah.
That looks like a rat.
I mean, it's from the same rodent family.
Yeah, it's from the same
Right.
rodent family.
Understand? All right.
Sweetie,
Yeah.
you hold it though, not me. First of all,
bearded dragon.
why?
Right.
I don't like reptiles.
So you have different pets or different animals that
Yes, we do.
that in Jamaica are forbidden.
Yes.
Is that right?
Yeah.
Hamsters and the bearded dragon, they're okay.
They're okay.
Right, and all of the pets that you have,
Yes,
those are
'cause
ones that persons can buy,
Can
rear and
buy
stuff like
the
that.
ball
What-
python snakes, the rabbits, the guinea pigs, the
No, go back,
tortoises.
no.
You said snakes. What about your birds? Your
Yeah.
regular birds and goldfish?
Yeah, we do have macaws, Amazon, parakeets, all different types of.
How do you
exotic
get them?
animals.
How do you get them?
Repeat.
We have one more coming here.
Yeah, we have. All right. So most of these
this is
animals.
what?
So this is a
That's what.
pied ball python
what?
snake.
Jesus. All right, you take noise. All right. All right, I'll come back over
Yeah,
here.
me and you're too enough. Come.
So this is a pied ball python snake. We're going.
You take your rat.
Snake not gonna eat the hamster?
No.
Oh, okay.
No, it's okay.
Right.
So this is a very relaxed snake. It's not venomous. They are constrictors. This is a baby, right?
Oh, so they're gonna get huge.
Not much huge.
Oh,
this is
so
a
this-
male, so it's gonna be maybe about the next 3 to 4 inches, and
Right.
then you put on a little bit of more fat, and
Right.
that's it.
Oh, you can feel like belt. Oh, I shouldn't have said that. But,
Count me out. I'm good over her.
and if persons want these pets, they can contact you.
They
you
can
provide the resources, the kids,
So,
food, and
all right, most of
quickly.
these animals that once people like the snakes, I have to see exactly where you're keeping it.
Ah, so you do the
'Cause
assessment.
I don't want you to just take a snake and you don't know how to care it.
Care it.
Where
Then
can
you-
persons find you quickly?
On Instagram, Eastern Exotic Pest Jamaica, TikTok, Eastern Exotic Pest Jamaica, Facebook, Orayne Rain, and phone number?
Now go over to the side.
It's 1876
I'll go over to beside Vermithor.
2880754.
Okay, guys. Owner of Eastern Exotic Pets Jamaica, Orayne Graham. Thank you so much, Orayne. You can keep all of them over that side. I am fine over here. I had a dog named Rex, and that was good. How soon come?
Bless it.
Yo, me touch it. Hey, me touch it.
Warm like fireside with more love than Valentine's is waiting. Are you ready for this? Ask me one beer no. girls letting them
See that dirt-like trail along the kitchen wall? Come, look at this mold. And the bathroom wall is sweating.
But didn't we just have pest control here last month? Drilling the whole house?
That's surface work. Call Carry Pest for sonar check now. The L5000 acoustic detection system pinpoints hidden leaks behind walls and on the floors. Non-invasive. No more drilling guesswork. Call Carry Pest at 876-592-3988. That's 876-592-3988. Carry Pest Limited. Protecting what matters.